What's that sound? Is it lunchtime?
Yes!
What's inside your lunchbox today? Let's open it and see! Lunchbox open wide. What's the yummy thing inside? Who has a sandwich?
I do!
What shape is it?
A triangle, woohoo!
Tall triangles, tasty circles too. Let's learn our shapes while we chew. What color's your apple bright? Red like fire, shiny light. Who's got green peas?
Me, please!
Colors and flavors make us smile. Let's taste the rainbow for a while.
Lunchbox surprise, hooray, hooray!
What's inside our box today?
Sip and crunch, laugh and play.
Lunchtime fun in every way. Whose cheese is square?
Mine right there!
Whose fruit is round?
Mine I found!
Round or square, sweet or small, sharing lunch is best of all. Can you guess the last surprise?
Cupcake with rainbow eyes.
Lunchbox surprise, hooray, hooray! We love to eat and learn all day. Shapes and colors, every bite. DiamondKids makes lunch delight. Lunchbox surprise, hooray, hooray! We love to eat and learn all day. Shapes and colors, every bite. DiamondKids makes lunch delight.